So hi guys, this is the part 2 of my birthday vlog. So these are the gifts from my friends. Thank you guys. Dagan kayong salamat. So let's do unboxing. Thank you. So let's open one by one. This one is from Dam Amy. Dear Mom Laarns, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. You truly deserve the very best. Thank you for everything. God bless you always. Love, Amy girl. I love you too, Dam Amy. Thank you so much. So, let's open it. Wow, this is from Object by Gundal. Oh, this is Lufa. Gundal. I love this brand. Wow, Naked Cream. Thank you so much, Dam Amy. A set siya, guys. And this one is body lotion. It's Naked Cream. Thank you! So guys, let's open the Naked Cream. Let's see what's inside. So this is the loofah. Hindi ko muna siya i-open kasi para iwas dust. Mag-absorb kasi siya ng dust. Saka ko na siya na-i-open pag gagamitin ko na. So guys, na-open ko na. Let's see it. Wow! It's so big. Ang laki oh. And I love the packaging. Ang ganda talaga ng mga packaging ng mga cosmetics sa Korea. Look at that. Thank you so much, Dam Amy. I love it. Let's smell it, guys. Oh my god, smells so good. It's a combination of like coconut butter and vanilla. Sobrang bango. Thank you, Dam Amy. I can't wait to use them. Okay guys, let's move to the next gift. This is from Ate Cha. Thank you po, Ate Cha. Ayan. Let's open. Oh. Wow, this is so cute. Jewel, this is from Tirelier. Oh my god, my Tirelier, A Fine Day. Thank you so much, Acha. Let's open. Sesame. Wow, so beautiful po. Thank you, Ate. I like it very much. Salamat, Ate Cha. So cute. Okay guys, let's move to the next gift. This is from Teacher Dean. Dam Dean, thank you so much. I love Hera. Wow. Peptide Ample Mask. And wow, tinted shine stick. Thank you so much, Dam. Ang aking supplier ng Hera. Thank you so much, Dam Din. I love it. These are the mask. And look at that. So beautiful. And I like the shade. Thank you, Dam Din. Okay, next. This is from Dam An. Thank you, Dam An. Wow. Perfection. This is from L. Renestige. a towel. Oh my god, so cute. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Dam. Woolly, woolly. And purple. So cute. Hand towel. Hand towel. I really need this, Dam. Thank you so much. Perfect. Next. Oh. Wow, hand cream. Thank you from Ikel Frisea. Love it. And another box from Egoist Eyewear. Let's open it. Eyewear. Oh, okay. Wow! BTS, thank you. This is BTS merch. May pa-free si Daman. Thank you! This is the last BTS, the City Arirang, Busan Health here. Busan City. Mga merch from BTS. Thank you, Daman. Oh no! This is my birthstone peridot. Wow! Ang buyo. Thank you! Birthstone rosary. Salamat, Daman. I love it. Tuga, nagsulod, oy. There's more. Wow, igubusan caramel. Is this caramel candies? I will not eat this one. I will keep this. Mamuyo po da. So beautiful packaging. Look at that. The packaging is so beautiful. Oh. And another box from, wow, Rainy Cell. What is this? Acless cleansing bar. Well, thank you, Daman. And another one. This is an eyewear from Egoist. Let's open. Oy, I need a hand. I love the casing. Hard case. Wapo kayo siya sudlanan. Oh, ka-nice, oy. Very nice. So, this is the eyewear, guys. Let's see it. Wow. Egoist. And gold hardware. Ang ganda. I love it so much. So cute. Thank you, Daman. Okay, next. This is from Damlin. Thank you so much, Damlin. Let's open inside. Imported ni guys. Okay, from Watson, Philippines Pharmacy. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. I love it. With dust bag. And then there's more. Anwa. Skincare. Oh my, cutie pie. Ang ganda. Look at that. Oh, so cute. Thank you so much, Damlin. I like the color combination. Wow. Thank you. So, ito yung dust bag niya. And from Anwa. I also like this brand. Vitamin C Niacin. So let's open another gift from Damriz. Chineng from Olive Young. Thank you so much, Damriz. Whoa. So this is collaboration from Morimo and Hello Kitty. Sanrio. Wow. So this is skincare, guys. Thank you so much, Dom. I like it. And then another one from Moda Moda. Hair treatment. Oh, wow. I really need this one. Sakto, di ba? This is so right kay ang ako ang daghan na kayo. Ang sakin na baby hair. Wala pa kayo time. Agto. sa salon for hair treatment. I really need this one. Walay budget, guys. I really need this one. Thank you so much, Damris. So perfect. Moda. This is hair treatment. Thank you. So let's open the Morimo. Oh, look what's inside. Ganda oh, so big. Uy, another hair treatment. So hair treatment siya, guys. And there's a small tube. And I think this is Hello Kitty keychain. Kidding in Korean. So cute. Thank you so much, Damris. I really need this one. Look at that. It's a total package. Cute ang packaging, oh. And another one from Dom Mary. Picked by me. Thank you so much, Dom. Kilig to the bones. This is Finding Molly Lisa. Kamukha ko daw, guys. Maldita, oh. Lang niya kasi Dom Mary. Thank you, Dom Mary. Let's open it, guys. This is from Pop Mart. Let's open it. Kunyari surprise kasi nakita ko na to. Wow, like that. Talaga ba siya? Oh my God! Ay, ito! Wala na siya. Ay, ito ba? May angyong siya.
Anong gusto mo ito? Ito?
Ayaw. Hindi. Ito na siya bibilin mo. Oo.
Gusto mo yung makakatalakong mo? Ang makukulam eh, no?
Ay, kid. So, let's open, guys. So, this is from Pop Mart Korea. Collaboration of Sanrio Kurumi and Skull Panda. Look at that. Thank you so much, Mary. I love it so much. Ang kamukha ko daw, guys. Oh, because I really like black. And look at this one with pink face. Pink blush. Thank you, Mary. Sobrang thank you. Kunyari, shock ako. Pero ako pumili nito. Thank you. So beautiful. So, guys, pinili niya kasi kamukha ko raw. Oh. Lalo na daw ito. Si Mona Lisa. Nakamukha na kasi mango. With pink blusher. O, diba, bongga. Pink ug nawong. So beautiful. So guys, I got a message from Daman to Dam Arns. Happy 45th birthday. Wishing you good health, happiness, and countless blessings. Enjoy your special day. Thank you so much, Daman. You too. God bless. And Dam Amy, thank you. And to all of you guys, thank you so much for the thought. I appreciate it a lot. God bless us all. 감사합니다. Once again, thank you so much, madam. 감사합니다. 너무 행복해요. 안녕, 사랑합니다. So, thank you for joining me, guys. This is your Mommy Arn saying 안녕, 여러분. 감사합니다. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, Arn Sweet Vlogs. Thank you. 안녕.